Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the vastness of the universe? Our cosmos is a mysterious place filled with wonders we are only beginning to understand. One of the greatest mysteries out there is something we can't even see: the dark matter. Imagine a cosmic jigsaw puzzle where a significant piece is missing. That's what dark matter is to astronomers and physicists. It's an invisible force that makes up about 27% of the universe, but what exactly is it? Despite its name, dark matter isn't some dark, sinister substance. It doesn't emit light or energy, making it completely invisible and undetectable by conventional means. So, how do we know it exists? We know because of gravity. You see, galaxies spin at such high speeds that without an additional source of gravity, they would simply fly apart. Yet they hold together, and scientists believe this is due to the gravitational pull of dark matter. It's like an invisible spider web that keeps everything in place. So, what is dark matter made of? Well, that's still one of the universe's best kept secrets. Scientists think it could be made up of exotic particles that interact with ordinary matter through gravity and perhaps other forces we haven't yet discovered. These particles might include WIMPs, or weakly interacting massive particles, which are currently being hunted in deep underground labs and particle accelerators. The search for dark matter is like a cosmic detective story. From observing distant galaxies to studying cosmic microwave background radiation, every clue brings us a step closer to understanding this elusive substance. Researchers are constantly developing new technologies and experiments, hoping to catch a glimpse of these mysterious particles. So next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that what you see is just a fraction of the story. There's an entire unseen universe out there waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations into the mysteries of